Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your iPad supports split view and that both apps can run side by side. Tap to open the first app, then swipe up slightly to reveal the dock. Do not close the dock. Next, press and hold the second app icon in the dock and drag it toward the left or right edge of the screen until a narrow pane appears. Once you see that pane, release to snap the second app into place. You now have two apps active in split view. You'll now fine-tune how the two apps share space. Grab the vertical handle between panes and drag to create a 50/50, 70/30, or custom split. Slow dragging gives precise control. Make sure to tap the three-dot multitask button at the top of either app to reveal choices. Select split view to lock both as side-by-side windows. Once done, use the same menu to switch orientations or set one app to remain in split view, so it reopens that way next time. To finish, position the panes where you want them, then continue working normally. If you need to exit, drag the separator fully to one side to make that app full screen. If split view won't start or an app snaps back to full screen, make sure the app supports multitasking in settings. Some apps are restricted. Once done, reboot the iPad or update iPad OS to resolve persistent glitches. If problems persist, toggle multitasking off and on in settings, then recreate the split view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.